Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to start a next chapter, that is chapter number 5, ways to behave. Okay? Now, what is the meaning of behave? That is manners. What we study at home and at school also. Okay? So, today we will go to learn about good manners. So, here is your chapter. Followed? Now, you see in this book there is a chapter of good manners. Manners are important for things that we have learned. We learn good manners at home and at or in school. Followed? Having good manners means behavior in a polite and graceful. Followed? No one graceful way. We learn good manners from school also, but at the beginning we learn from home and in the school. Now here having good manners means behaving in a polite and graceful way. So no one likes an ill-mannered person. Ill-mannered means not behaving well, mannerless. They are called ill-mannered. Some of the good manners you should learn or you should follow are greet each other. Greet each other. How to greet each other? People greet each other when they meet. When they meet, they either say good morning. When you meet in the morning with your friends or your teacher, what you say? Good morning. At home, you meet your parents. So, what you say? Good morning. Now, good afternoon. In the afternoon, what you say? Good afternoon. Or in evening, if you meet anybody, your friend or any elders, you must say good evening or good evening, or what you say, or in simply hello. What you say? Hello. So here is your good manners, how to greet with each other. Now in the next page you see people also wish each other when they leave. When they leave, they say goodbye. Use the magic words. Now here are some magic words that we say to our friends or elders. That is your respect or that is your good manners. When you get something or you want to get something, you must say thank you. When you get something, जब आपको मिल जाती है तो you should say thank you. Now, when someone says thank you, you should say you are welcome. You are welcome. जब आपको चीज मिल जाती है तो उनको आपको क्या बोलना चाहिए? You are welcome. In the next line you see, when you want something, जब आपको कुछ चाहत होती है या आपको इरेजर, आपको पेंसिल, by the way you forgot to bring your pencil, what you will say to your friend? Please give me your pencil. If give your extra pencil, please give extra pencil, or please you have a extra pencil, please give it before your sentence to request for that thing. When you want something, you should add please. That is the manner. Then in the next line you see, when you hurt somebody unknowingly, जब आप किसी को लग गया है, unknowingly माने जानबूझकर नहीं लगाए, तो you should say sorry. You should say sorry to show that you have made a mistake. Respect elders. Now आपसे बड़े जो भी है, एल्डर्स मीन्स बड़ा, आपसे बड़े जो भी है, जैसे पेरेंट्स, योर टीचर्स, योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, योर ब्रदर्स, एल्डर ब्रदर और सिस्टर in the house, if you have, then you should respect them. Respect your elders and listen to them. Be punctual. Punctual means time पे काम होना, या टाइम पे टाइम, आपको स्कूल आने का टाइम जितना है, तो उस टाइम पे अगर आप स्कूल नहीं आओगे तो you should be get a punishment. You will get a punishment. So that is not a punctual. That is your delay. Learn to do your work on time. मैम होमवर्क देती है आपको, आपके पेरेंट्स कुछ काम देती है, तो यू शुड डू इन अ पंक्चुअल टाइम, और समय पे करना चाहिए. डू नॉट डिले योर वर्क. डू नॉट डिले योर वर्क. नाउ हियर नेक्स्ट वन, बी नीट एंड क्लीन. You should be yourself, you should be neat and clean, but also see to the surroundings of your house or classrooms. As always, keep your surroundings clean. आप जहाँ रहते हो, where you stay or where you live, you see that your surroundings should be neat and clean. Do not throw waste in your classroom. आप लोग क्लास में you see in the corner there is a dustbin. So you should throw waste paper in the dustbin. Use the dustbin for the waste. Use the dustbin for the waste. Waste means kachra. Okay. Now next page you see, turn your page. Be kind and helpful. Help anyone in need. When somebody needs any help, you should help them, and whatever he needs or she needs, he or she needs, you should help them. That is a good manner. Do not tease or hurt animals. एनिमल्स को कभी टीज और हर्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. टीज मीन्स उनको तंग करना या चिढ़ाना, जो भी है. डू नॉट टीज और हर्ट एनिमल्स. ओके. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन, बी ट्रूथफुल. ऑलवेज स्पीक ट्रूथ. सच्ची बातें करनी चाहिए. ऑलवेज स्पीक द ट्रूथ. ट्रूथ माने सच्चा बात, या स्पीक ट्रूथ ट्रूली, या सच्ची बातें करनी चाहिए. नेवर लाई. कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. लाई मीन्स झूठ. बी हैप्पी एंड cheerful. बी हैप्पी एंड cheerful. हमेशा खुश और खुश रहना चाहिए. कीप स्माइलिंग. स्माइलिंग मीन्स हंसना. ऑलवेज बी कीप स्माइलिंग. एवरीवन loves to be what? Everyone loves to be with a happy and cheerful child. Always be smiling, and everyone loves to be with a happy and cheerful child. खुश और हंसमुख चेहरा होना चाहिए बच्चों में. Nobody likes to be with a sad. दुखी मन को या मुंह को बना के रखना वो अच्छी बात नहीं है. So nobody likes to be a sad and ill-mannered. Sad and ill-mannered. Okay? So ill-mannered means जो लोग दुखी और इल मैनर्ड माने कोई मैनर नहीं है उसको इल मैनर्ड बोलते हैं और मैनरलेस बोलते हैं. उस बच्चे को कोई पसंद नहीं करते. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू रीड द चैप्टर्स एंड with the spellings, and I will give you question answer in the next day. Okay, so bye bye.